Hey there, and welcome to a brief lesson on hydrophilic and hydrophobic with kindness. When something is hydrophilic, it can be dissolved in water, much like sugar. As you know, if you put sugar into water and swirl it around, you will no longer see the sugar. That's because sugar can be easily bonded with water. It can form hydrogen bonds fairly easy. It is known as a polar because it has electronegativity between the atoms, which simply means there are positive ends and negative ends. And typically hydrogen will be attracted to oxygen. Right here I have an example of glucose in its molecular form. You see there's hydrogen and there's oxygen, and so that allows it to be easily formed with water. When something is hydrophobic, however, it cannot make hydrogen bonds, much like oil and water. Like the picture I have here, you see that the forms of oil are kept in circular forms and do not dissolve in the water. It repels the water. Oil is known as nonpolar, which simply means that there is no offset between positive and negative in the atom. All the electrons are shared equally, which allows it to not share or bond with water. It cannot be dissolved, and therefore it repels water. Once again, hydrophilic means that it can dissolve in water. Hydrophobic means that it will repel water. As simple as that. If you have any questions, I'm here to answer them. Thank you for taking the time out to go over hydrophilic and hydrophobic with me.